What is going on, guys? It's your boy YKTV Frenchie, and y'all know the vibes. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys my D16Y7 turbo Honda Civic, and this car essentially doesn't have a tune on it, and I'm just gonna show you guys some pulls and how it drives. So as you guys see from me just starting it up, you can see that it isn't very loud, which is pretty awesome. So it does have just a log manifold, and the turbo that I'm running is a T4, just a 0.63 max speeding rod one, and it is ran into the stock exhaust. So so far I've been driving it for about, I'd like to say, 2 to 3 weeks, and it is not tuned. So it has lasted so far, and I've been doing some pulls and stuff like that on it. So the drivability on it is pretty awesome. It makes cool noises, and hopefully you guys will be able to hear the noises when I do some pulls for you guys. But steers straight, and overall it's a good little car in my opinion. Let's get into a little bit of a pull. Car's still warming up, so nothing too crazy. But so basically where the car's peak is when you can get it kind of almost into boost, or when you build up the pressure. So right now I'll build up the pressure, then I'll hit it. And there you go. You can see that the car does get down pretty well, actually. It's more of like a mid-range torque. Maybe that's because the turbo is pretty big. Maybe I could have went with a smaller one, but you know, this was my first turbo build, so I kind of just saw there was this bigger one or there was a smaller one, and the bigger one was cheaper. So, you know, sometimes you save a little bit of money here and there on the build, but came out pretty well. So if you guys want to check out any of my content of me building it, make sure you guys click the subscribe button and kind of just go through my channel. I think there's about like 5 or 6 videos of me just turboing it, and it's pretty interesting because a lot of people don't turbo the Y7s. I don't know why, just, or maybe people do, it's just not a lot of them have been shown on YouTube. So that's another pull there. This Porsche wants to smoke, I guess. Another note that I kind of want to bring up is just about the drivability is it's pretty quiet. So the turbo itself isn't very loud. I just routed it into the stock exhaust, and you can hear the flutter a lot, so that's pretty awesome. It doesn't have a blow-off valve, so you just hear turbo noises, which is pretty awesome. Once again, the sounds that this car makes is pretty awesome. So like, I don't know if you guys can pick up that audio, but it's so good. It's like so quiet, it just sounds like a stock car. And then I let go of the gas and it's just fluttering. It's awesome. I don't even know if I'm gonna go with a blow-off valve, just because it sounds so awesome. And I know everyone is gonna say in the comment section, your turbo is gonna blow up quicker, blah 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 blah. Probably right. What do I know? This is my first turbo build, but I'm gonna just enjoy the good sounds where it lasts. And if I need to get a new turbo, the max speeding rods does make very cheap ones. 0 to 60 range is where the car really eats. I'm not gonna lie with you guys, and it feels like it's low-key a little bit of a rocket ship. And it's super fun. So I wish the power range was kind of in between, like more so like 40 to 60, and I think that's what I think it would hit boost quicker if I had a smaller turbo. It just takes a bit more time to build up the PSI. Overall, guys, I am super satisfied with how this has came out. I didn't think it would be this much fun, to be honest with you guys. I thought the sound is exactly what I wanted. Like, it sounds exactly how I wanted it to sound, but it's quicker than I thought. It's quicker than I thought, I'm not gonna lie. But it's pretty cool. So, she eats, guys. And it's just epic that, you know, like, I did this, recorded the whole process. I mean, even though that lots of people haven't watched my videos or anything, I'll have these videos forever and can look back at them and see, like, damn, I turboed a Civic when I was younger, you know, like, it's pretty awesome. I'd encourage anyone, like, if you're just trying to learn about turbos and stuff like that, do this. Like, practice on a car like a Civic. Like, it was annoying to do the oil pan, but not too hard. It was annoying to do the exhaust manifold, taking it off, but not that hard. It was annoying to do the intercooler piping, just because I didn't really want to cut into the car, but it was all worth it, guys. Like, I had fun doing it as well, and the car's better than ever, in my opinion. I do not feel bored driving the car whatsoever. The sound will never get old, man. The sound will never get old. She freaking rips too, like, such a good time. Such a good time. What's this guy gonna do? He doesn't know that the lane is ending over here. There we go, found it out. Alright guys, I'm gonna give you guys one more pull, and then we're gonna end the video. There we go. So, if you guys liked this video of kind of just showing off my turbo Civic, also another thing that's probably really important to say is that the car is only making 5 psi. So yeah, it makes 5 psi. Yeah, so if you guys liked the video, make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe for more. And if you guys want to see more Civic content, just in general, make sure you look at my previous videos. There's honestly a lot of good content, and it's stuff that I would watch genuinely. So make sure you guys do everything that I said if you want to support the channel and help the channel grow. And it's your boy YKTV Frenchie, and I'm signing off. Peace.